Everyone, I wanted to talk about this VEVOR double ring crab net. This was given to me at checkout, so I wanted to thank VEVOR for sending it to me. If you've seen a lot of my other videos, you know that I love to crab, and I wanted to show you how this works and how to put it together. But pretty much, this is good to go out of the box. You just have to do a few things. It comes with this crab measurer. You can measure all kinds of stuff in here, but it has this ruler here, up to 7 inches. Depending on your regulations for your state, you'll have, like for example, in New Jersey, I believe it's 4.5 inches. But you could measure your crabs with this ruler here. You can measure them this way. Also has a clam measurer or a clam gauge right here. So you have that. Comes with gloves if you want to use this to handle your crabs or whatever you're catching. Also, it has this bait clip. So I'm going to show you how you put this bait clip in. Really easy, but if you open this up here, so I usually go through the center of the bottom cage. All right, so there's my bait clip. So I'm going to put whatever you're going to use. If you're going to use chicken or bunker fish or any kind of bait, you can put that on there and clip it tight. So that's going to stay secure on the bottom. And then once your bait's in there, you're pretty much good to go. You're going to have this set up. I believe it's 60 foot of rope. So you have a lot of rope there. You also have your float so you know where it is. And very simple, once you're on your dock or wherever you are, your boat, all you need to do is have your bait in and you just drop this to the ground. This is going to float on the ground this is going to rest on the ground like that. So hopefully you have your crabs come through like this. You can let it soak for however long you want to. For me, I usually do anywhere from 3 to 7 minutes. For catching crabs pretty quickly, I'll do it for even less. All you're going to do is let it soak, and then we usually do a really quick pull. And as you can see, once you're pulling that up, you're going to have your crabs or whatever caught in there. Okay? So very simple. This has galvanized metal here. So this is going to be rust resistant right there. Also, you have this nylon coated or PVC coated netting, so that's going to dry fast. So this should hopefully stand up well to saltwater conditions. You have everything you need here. And as you can see, so for transportation, we always have a lot of stuff that we're packing when we travel to go crabbing. You can have this. It sits nice and flat, or you can turn it sideways for storing in your car or truck. And that's pretty much it. Nice double ringed crab basket. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.